Hey guys, it's me, also 16 on my channel my vlog is about tips. Some of people commented on my Instagram that I'm having a nice OOTD. So yeah, because I'm so homesick for now, I just use some t-shirts. Okay. First tip for OOTD is from dance. I got perfect. You should make a perfect bun, not messy bun, because if you do messy bun, it's not messy bun, but I would like to suggest to you is a perfect bun. You can put some O's in it, ribbons, flowers, or blah blah blah. What you gonna put it in? Just accessories. And some short crop tops. Just here, yeah. Maybe how many inches of this? And the top and down of it, you usually use shorts so that you can dance without leggings. But if you don't like shorts, you can do leggings or shorts, leggings, or I don't care what you will use. So I'll let you see what is that. This like, oh no, look at her dress. That is perfect to you, okay? Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh. Second OOTD is freestyle or everyday OOTD. So for this OOTD is just simple, not so luxurious, and not so social. So I recommended for the hairdo is ponytail, a messy bun or perfect bun, braids, or anything. Braids, ponytail, perfect band, messy bun. I just suggest it. Just pick what to do. For the top is crop top t-shirts. For the updo is skirt, leggings, or shorts. And for your shoes is I would suggest Converse shoes or Adidas shoes. Shirt is for prom shoe. For prom OOTD. So I suggest updo hairstyle ponytail is you can see on my videos. I'm doing one. Like Emily J Cupcakes. I don't know which just search Emily J Cupcakes or Emily Cupcakes. Emily J Cupcakes. Just link down below. Yeah. Look at her hairstyle. It's perfect for prom and curl your hair. Yeah, not like this. Curl your hair as you can. So that perfect bun. And your dress should be a gown, edgy, and perfect to see, and not so wide up in your chest. And testing your shoes. You should not do Converse shoes or Adidas shoes. You should use sandals. I suggest high heels. So thanks for watching my this week on my channel. So please watch some another vlogs for me. Bye!